So you've just inherited a property and you've just decided to sell. But it's a little dated and it needs a little bit of work. But you also need a fast sale.
Guess what? I can get cash in your pocket in as little as 10 days. I am Fran Carlo, your local Sacramento realtor.
Hi, I'm Kim Rinkin, local Sacramento realtor and certified probate real estate specialist.
Welcome to our YouTube channel where we discuss everything related to probate and real estate. So Kim, even getting a regular house ready to market, not one that needs help, takes quite a bit of time, doesn't it?
Yeah, sure. You might have to do a house cleaning. You have to order photos. You have to, just really get it ready. Wait for photos and put it, put it on the market.
Maybe.
Staging, things like that.
Yeah.
It all takes a lot of time.
Plus all the marketing it takes to really promote it and to get it out there.
Yeah, we sure spend a lot of money on marketing, don't we?
Yeah, and then I know sometimes that, not always, but sometimes heirs inherit a house, they take out all the things that they want, and then they're left with the old couches, the old, all that old stuff that they don't want, that really has to go to the dump, that also costs money.
Yeah, especially nowadays, the dump fees are so expensive.
Yeah.
So, but we do have a solution,
We
don't
do have a good solution.
Tell them about it, Fran.
Yeah, so Bellwood Investments, we've been working with this cash buyer for over 2 years now, and they flipped over 100 houses in the last year. And Bellwood basically comes in, they'll take the whole mess, they won't do any inspections, they'll offer you a fair price on your property, and cash, in less than 10 days.
Right, or as long as you need. So sometimes, it might just take a little while, or you haven't decided yet, but they can take as long as you want, or as little as 10 days.
Yeah, and then how about the other option, where the seller can be the investor?
Ooh, well maybe we should save that for another video. What do you think?
We could say that for another video.
Okay.
Stay tuned for video number 2 on how you could make even more money on your property by teaming up with Bellwood and becoming an investor.
If you like this video, please hit the little bell so you'll be notified of future ones, and we'd love to hear any comments you might have.
And make sure you hit the like button. This is a new channel for us, so show us some love and hit the like.